you guys clicked on the thumbnail or the title or whatever. We're gonna be ranking wood by its uses in building. Yeah, because that's tough. Here's a 1x1 wood. It's like pretty much the backbone of the wood. It's pretty good, but if you build like this, it's not gonna look good, or isn't it? So I think the 1x1 wood is gonna go on this tier list. But where is the question? Also, I lost my wing. But where is the question? Yeah, over there. Yeah, it's just gonna... Hot take? Okay, bro, who is having hot takes about flipping wood? But still, hot take. I think this is worse than worse than the 1x1. And the reason? You can't fill 1x1 gaps. Actually, yes, you can. Whatever. It's slightly behind it. What the hell is this video even about? It's pretty... Okay, this... 2x2x2. Hot take. I don't use this at all, so I don't give a damn about it. Ooh! If it's this shade, it has like ×2, like that, like yeah, yeah. But the one before is actually my goat twin. Look, it's my goat twin. It's a 2x4x1. Let's go. It's all right, but I'm gonna move this down a tier, and I'll put this here. Bro, I do not have opinions on damn wood, which is actually my goat twin. It's like bread and butter, like flipping. It's like up here. 1x8 is my goat. I always use it. It's like so much better. Yeah. Don't ask what I'm gonna do by before. Okay. 2x8. Average. Putting it actually below this. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm ranking wood. What am I doing? Now we have 8x4x1, which is also insanely goated twin. Actually, I'm gonna move this down a tier. Alright. It's a great block, but it can't fit on the tier list. I know, it's so sad. Let's just put it up a tier. I mean, it's better than everything else anyway. You know what? This isn't as good. I think I might have to extend this tier list again. Alright. This is the slant identificationer. So that's the slant I'm going to be talking about. Why does it matter? This slant is better than bread and butter. Oh my god. There's so many good slants. Well, we only ranked 2. This slant 16 by 2 by 1. It saves me a lot of time. And it is going up here. So these three are going in the same spot. Okay. These 3 slabs are going a little bit higher. Now they're going in the same spot. I changed
Favorite.
That's Dylan from Smiling Friends.
Did you just say from Smiling Friends? They low-key look like... Wait, what's it called again?
A staircase.
Dude, they look like those slab bracelets.
Oh, yeah. Oh. This is the whole tier list. And I'm going to give this goober a camera.
Listen, let me tell your fans something motivational. If you think your friends are fake, just remember salt and sugar look the same.
Oh my god!
Speaking of sugar, sugar! Yummy sugar! I'm gonna eat the camera.
Okay, I'm turning us tiny now.
You fat bit.